Hey everybody, my name is Nick and today I would like to show you how to delete your Scoopz account. So let's run Scoopz, tap on it, and to delete your account go to Me. And here you have to click on the gear icon at the top right, tap on it. And there are a lot of options, but we looking for delete account at the very bottom. So tap on delete account. Are you sure you want to delete account? All your profile and all other personal information will be deleted immediately and inaccessible to other Newsbreak users anywhere in the app. And this cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? You can delete or cancel. So let's tap on delete. Wait a bit, and your account has been successfully deleted. You need to restart the Scoopz app to continue using. So that's how you can easily delete your Scoopz account. And if we try to start the app again, you'll see the start tab as if my account didn't exist. So guys, I really hope this video helped you. Subscribe to my channel and of course like this video. Thank you, have a nice day.